In an argumentative writing, you need to agree or disagree with the topic by using reasons to support your opinion. This means you should let the reader know right from the beginning what your opinion or position on the topic is. One way to effectively present your opinion is by first acknowledging the alternative point of view. In other words, the viewpoint that is different from your own. This is called a concession. In brief, a concession is when you acknowledge a different perspective on the topic. It is when you admit that the alternative viewpoint exists and that you understand it. This makes your overall argument stronger and makes a better impression on the reader. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make concessions and how these can help you when writing IELTS Task 2 essay. Hey guys, this is Rustam from Ace IELTS and welcome to my channel. I've created this channel to help you ace the test and achieve the score you want so that you can follow your dreams. I'm an expert IELTS trainer with over 15 years of teaching experience. I'm currently based in Turkey, where I teach English at one of the leading and most innovative universities. Let me start off by giving you an example of a concession. So, for example, I might say this to you. Guys, I do realize that the IELTS exam might be intimidating at times and very difficult to many of you. However, if you choose the right strategy and make effective study plan, you will find that the exam is not that difficult. So, what I did here before giving my own opinion is to acknowledge that the exam may be difficult and that I empathize with many of you. However, in my second sentence, I gave my real feelings about this. So my real opinion is that the exam is not actually that difficult if you choose the right approach for it. This is called a concession. Now, let me switch to my computer and I'll show you how to make concessions in academic writing. Alright guys, so you may use the following words and phrases to make concessions. Have a look. I believe that many of you are familiar with these words, so let's see how you can use them in sentences. And to help us write a couple sentences, let's pick this essay topic. Students in schools and universities learn more from their teachers than through other means such as the internet and libraries. Do you agree or disagree? Okay, so let's suppose we want to write an introduction for this essay and we want to use a concession. So there are two ideas that are offered in this topic. Idea number one, students learn more from their teachers. And idea number two, students learn more from other means such as the internet and libraries. So which of these two ideas do you agree with more? You can pause the video to think. You may even try to write a sentence. Okay, here's my example. So you can see that I began my sentence with the word despite the abundance of learning materials available online in physical libraries. I think that teachers are still the primary source of knowledge for many students. Can you tell which of these two ideas do I agree with most? Right, it's easy to tell that I agree with the first idea, right? Cool, let's see another example. Can you say which idea do I agree with now? Right, I agree with the second idea this time. And I do make a concession by saying that teachers play a significant role and we cannot deny this. I'll argue that other sources of knowledge such as the internet and libraries can be more educational, right? So from this sentence you understand that I agree with the second idea. Let's see one more example. Again, can you tell which idea do I agree with now? Yeah, it's easy to tell. I agree with the first idea. I do make a concession by saying that yes, the abundance of learning materials that is available online and physical libraries may be helpful, right? There's no denying that, but I think teachers' role is still more significant. Guys, I hope this gives you enough examples, so let me just continue with what I have to say next. A concession is an effective and helpful tool that you can use in your IELTS writing essay, especially in the introduction. I've prepared a Google Doc for you where I've written a few introductions on different topics by using concessions, so you can see different examples on my document. Feel free to make copy and use it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe for more valuable content. Cheers! I'll see you in my next videos.